Hi, Kelly. It's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I did see that you had a couple of these funnels here. So you have three funnels recently updated here. I didn't check if you have any archived yet. I'll check that in a second here. So I'm assuming this is the section that you're talking about. You mentioned in a message with the other agent a family session. So I did go through all of your funnels here. So I'm assuming this is the button you're referring to. So basically, what I did here is I went into a preview mode, brings up the live page. I went ahead and I filled out the application, your opt-in. I'm going to brought me to your second page. So you can see this is almost complete. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just give me 1 second here. Just grabbing an email here, and we're going to test that. All right, so we get all green, and there we go. All right, so it looks like that works. Okay, so I'm going to back up here. I'm going to check your steps. All right, so I just went through all three steps successfully. Looks like everything works there. Let me see here. I think this one has three. I think you had another one, yeah, with 5 steps. So let me know. I just wanted to show you that I'm here in your account, and this is the one I saw that had the family session associated with your message. So hopefully that's the right one. All right, just go ahead and let me know if you still need assistance. Okay. All right. I'm gonna just go ahead and check this. I'm gonna check your. While I'm in here, let's go to your dashboard. Okay, visitors, contacts. Okay, so our update, everybody has pretty much unlimited contacts. So this here, you've reached the maximum number of contacts. Just go ahead and clear this. Go to the see all and clear your notifications. This is something that we're updating. This is part of the old system alerts. But as you can see here, your contacts, you have unlimited amount. All right, so you're good to go there. And then back to your issue. Again, if you have any issues continuing, please let me know. But it does look like the issue with the button is cleared. So if that is the funnel, if that is the correct step and the funnel works on my side, then that's, and it's not working on your side, that's going to be an issue with your data in the background here. So you're going to have to clear your background data, your browser data. All right, so you come up here to your vertical dots, more tools, go to clear browsing data, and then select whatever suits your needs. Time-wise, you'll see. And then also, once you're done with that, I would actually come up here and open an incognito window. All right, I would log out of your ClickFunnels account, open an incognito window. All right, right here, it's going to be a blacked out window, and you'll see it. Here, let me just show you. All right, so it's going to look like this. All right, and this is just going to bypass some of that background data as well. All right, and then log back into your ClickFunnels account. Okay, and then open up your funnel and then retest it. Okay, just as I did in the video earlier with the preview page. Okay, all right, thanks. Let me know what you need. Okay, I'll be happy to help.